Okay, we're going to start off by downloading the SKP file for today. So that is inside the SketchUp Refresher. We go to here and you just click on download there. So it'll be down here in the left-hand corner. Then you're going to open up SketchUp. Okay, and we go open on, you open up SketchUp, we go open, we go from My Computer, and we want to go to Downloads. And I'm going to look for SketchUp Refresher, which is right here. And open that up. Okay, you want to save this. And we're going to go to SketchUp. We're going to call it SketchUp Refresher. So SketchUp has a capital U in it. I have been spelling it slightly wrong for a really long time. It's everywhere on it, so if you want to be professional, that's what we call it. SketchUp Refresher. Today is meant to be a review of basic skills. This is, we're going to kind of just get off to a kind of a slow start here. I just want you guys to practice your basic skills. So we have this kind of like floor plan right here. First thing we're going to do is use the offset tool. The offset tool, you can tap F on your keyboard, and then you can grab outside, yeah, there we go, the outside edge and kind of pull in. We don't want to pull out, we want to pull inside, and then we're going to do 6 inches. You can see that down in the lower right corner, 6 inches, and we tap enter. Give me a 6-inch offset. I'm going to kind of create some little rooms in here, and this is going to be a very awkward floor plan. It's not going to be with all the thought that you guys put into your 2-bedroom apartments. This is just a practice of basic skills, just to get you guys back in the groove. I'm going to tap R, which gives me the rectangle tool. I'm going to go from this endpoint here and kind of drag into the center, and I'm going to do 12 feet, 12 feet, 12 by 12. And then I'm going to do another awkward room in this corner and kind of drag into the center. It's going to be 10 feet by 10 feet. And I'm going to do another one over here that is going to go to the end, like an endpoint right there. We're going to go 10 feet by, let's say, by 8 feet. So 10 feet, 8 feet. Okay. And then we're going to do another room over here, kind of drag in this direction. Let's do 15 by 8. 15 feet, by 8 feet. Okay, so we have this awkward shape in the center and these kind of like awkward looking hallways, and that's okay. We're not going to worry about that. Today's all about practice. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use the offset tool again. So remember, I'm going to tap F. F is in Frank, and I'm going to drag. Now you can see we already have a 6-inch offset out here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to kind of zoom in a little bit here. Okay, I'm going to grab the outside right there. Okay, and I'm going to go out 6 inches, and you'll see this actually is going to create a perfectly lined up wall with the outside. So kind of nice. I'm going to do the same thing here. We're going to go out 6 inches. You can see this creates this very tiny hall right here, but again, we're not looking for livability. It's just an exercise. We're going to go on the edge here. Okay, 6 inches. And here This one, I'm going to suggest that we actually do something different. Okay, so on this one, what we're going to do is we're going to grab the tape measure tool, and I'm going to grab this line and I'm going to pull in about 6 inches. This is another way to do walls. And we're going to go from this direction and go in 6 inches over here. Okay. So then what I'm going to do is draw, I can either do this with the line tool, so I can grab the line tool over here, intersection to intersection, just making sure that I get that really crisp right there. And then I'm going to tap E, which gives me the eraser, and I'm going to get rid of all of these intersections with the lines. Okay, so we want to kind of create, I want to jump to every kind of intersection of these walls. We want to create something that is continuous so that we can pull it up into our walls. We're going to cut some door frames after that, and then some simple windows. And that's really going to be it for today. We're not going to do anything crazy. It's just a kind of just practice. Okay, so now I'm going to go tap P, the push-pull tool. I'm going to select this outer section and drag up, and I'm going to hit 9 feet. You can see that in that distance box in the lower right, and I tap Enter. Okay, so traditionally doors are about 3 feet, 7 feet, door entryways. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a doorway in each of these 4 kind of wonky rooms here. So we have a 3 foot by 7 foot door. So I'm going to go rectangle tool, go up, and you can see that the longer, if I look down in the dimensions box in the lower right, I'm going to go 3 feet by 7 feet, 3 feet, comma, 7 feet. And there I get my door. I'm going to tap P again, the push-pull tool. I'm going to click once and kind of drag through until it kind of, you see how this kind of looks oddly transparent. When I click on that, again, it cuts the door straight through. So again, you guys know how to do all of this. But I have a good refresher, just an easy start. Okay, so I'm going to go 3 feet by 7 feet again, tap E, until you see it kind of fade away there. I want to do that again. We're going to do it here, tap R, with the rectangle tool, kind of up in this direction. I'm going to go 3 feet, comma, by 7 feet, hit Enter, tap E again, push in, swing this guy around. Okay, I'm going to go rectangle tool, again start on the bottom, up and out. That's going to be 3 feet by 7 feet. Again, I actually don't like that one. I'm going to do it again. Move it over a little bit. I thought it might go, might go into the center of the wall there. 3 feet, 7 feet, hit Enter, pull. There we go. And we're going to do one to the outside. Now, we did no depth on the floor, so you don't have to worry about that. Again, tap rectangle tool again. On the edge, up 3 feet, 7 feet, and then push tool again. That one. Interesting. Okay, so there we have a door in every room. I want you guys to put a window in every bedroom. Okay. So the window, we're going to do the same thing, the rectangle tool again. And do just kind of a nice shape window. Pull tool again. Let it go through. You guys don't have to put any glass in it or anything like that. Whoops. There we go. I'm going to reference it over here. See if I can get that lined up. Yeah, there we go. Takes over here. Pull. There we go. I monkeyed with the wall again. Okay. There we go. Okay. One more over here. Okay. There we go. And last one over here. Rectangle tool. Again, I'm not being, careful with these dimensions or anything. We'll get to that point, but this is just basic skills review. Okay. The last thing I want you guys to do, once you guys get all of this done, okay, is kind of give me a view like this where I can see all the axes. I want you to slap your signature on the side. You can save this, okay? And remember to get your signature, we're going to go Insert from your computer. We're going to go Minor in Pictures. I have it right there. It's an image. I'm going to put it on the side. Okay. And there's my finished little just exercise. So I'm going to save that, take my screenshot with my snipping tool, and yep, that's what you're going to submit. All right. Thank you guys.